Hi everyone, this is Marlene at Dixie Quilters. Be sure to like and subscribe, push the button, ring the bell, give me a clap, and please leave me some comments and tell me what you're thinking and what you're working on, and show me how do you upload a picture or send it to me. Let me see what you're doing. Okay, well, today I'm going to go ahead and finish out the Soft Squares Advent box, starting with number 20 and going through 25. But we're gonna, before we start that, I wanna start by showing you, in one of my first videos, I mentioned that I had received 2 box number 4s. And so Lynn and Mr. Fix-It immediately sent me a replacement for the one that I was missing. So I wanna show you what that was. And you've probably seen it on some of the other openings already anyway. So this is, spoiler, don't look if you want to save those surprises for later. This is the Advent box day 3. So I must have got 2 number 4s. So this is the true number 3. And it's, oh, look at that, a needle minder. Let's look at it. Magnetic wooden, a sewer's best friend. I think what you do is it has a magnet on it. It is beautiful, and it's wood. Ooh, very strong magnet. Let's put it on right now. So you'd wear it on your clothes. Wait a minute, this goes out, this goes in. Ooh. And then you could put your needle there. Let's see. There. Holds my pin. I ought to hold a needle, huh? I'm going to take that little guy off of there before I poke myself. My dog is here, and she wants attention at all times. But you'll have to wait, babe. Her name is Hannah. And she was a rescue I got a few months ago. And hold on. So in this box, which is number 3, there's a tape measure. I like it. A little swag. And then this is darling. This is a little pin cushion. And I think she said that these are handmade by an independent artist in Ohio. Very darling. So let's go on, and then Quilting Needles by John James. Now, I've heard of that brand. I think someone else said that these are supposed to be super duper. So that's good. And then we have a sticker. Of course, we love those. And the one I received is Bobbin Chicken Champion. Whatever that means. And then a new blade for my rotary blade. We always need those. And this one's a good one. This is an Olfa. I've been buying some of the big store brands, and I suppose they work pretty good. I mean, when I was cutting out the little snowman, maybe it's cold, I was cutting at least 8 layers at a time, and they were working okay. I think that one that I'm using is a Missouri Star brand 45 blade, and it works pretty good. Okay, so then we're going to go on to box number 20. And it's, of course, in a lot of these are in the shape and size of these lovely containers that are going to go in the big container that we got on day 5, I think it was. So this little box looks like it has a project in. Oh, no, it's not a project. These items are great for your purse. Oh, good idea. I like to have a deck of cards handy and can always use a nail file. And look what we got. We got Hometown by Lori Holt, a deck of cards. This is going to be fun. And I just made a commitment to pick up my grandson after school on Tuesdays and Fridays, my days off. So I better have some things in the car ready to go because this is a big commitment. It doesn't sound like much, but it is going to be big for me because those are my days that I try not to have a whole lot of plans, but I want to be with my grandson, and that's a good opportunity, is to have him twice a week all to myself. For a little while anyway, huh? So then this other thing that's in here is called a purse light. Let's open that up. Oh, now that's nice. So it has a magnet on it, and it has a quilt design on it, and it would stick to the wall of your purse. Now let's see how to turn it on. Oh, maybe here. That was for the battery. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm sorry, I blinded you. I'm blinded myself now. Oh, and a flasher. Well, I like that. Thanks, Lynn. Definitely usable. Have you ever gotten your phone out and sort of had to fumble around with it trying to get the flashlight to work? I know my daughters can just say, Mom, it's done. But it does take me a few extra seconds to figure it out. So this would be nice, huh? Okay. And a lovely nail file. Good size to go in your purse. Okay, thanks, Lynn. And yes, I'm going to hold on to this plastic case because I want to use that for organizing. Okay, let's do box number 21. This was such a splurge to buy this big box this year. It was a lot of fun, though. And you notice that I did not save it for every day. It's like I got a big shipping box in the mail, was it yesterday, from my daughter in California? And she said, it didn't say, do not open. So I opened it up, and then I called her, and she says, Mom, that's supposed to go under the tree, you know. Well, I better put those slippers back in the box and put them under the tree then, right? They were awfully nice Uggs. But we'll get to wear them eventually, huh? Okay, this is Soft Squares Advent Box B, Day 21. Oh, we did that one. Okay, now we're going to do Day 22. Okay. Very lovely bags. I really appreciate it. I should have opened them up more carefully so I could use them again, you know? Oh, boy. I think it's a real project. Look, it's in its project bag and everything. Don't you love these bags? I know a number of the monthly subscriptions are using bags to keep track of them. You know, the bag comes in your shipping bag and it's all in one position. It's safe. Anywho, so we received Who Loves the Ease of a 3-Yard Quilt Pattern from Fabric Cafe. This quilt is called Arcade. Looks great with any fabric combination, and I can't wait to see see how you use your fabric with this pattern. Now see those dark boxes that are framed twice? I wonder what shape those are. Do you think those are 66.5-inch squares? Excuse me, 6.5-inch squares? Because if so, you could use those autumn sky squares to go inside, or any other square from another quilt that is more decorative than just a plain square. Let's see, 4.5-inch. I'll bet they're going to be 4.5-inch. Fabric 1, what are they cutting fabric 1 to be? Yeah, 5.5 or 4.5. Well, you could always find a quilt pattern that had some kind of a 4.5 or 5.5 square that you really liked. You know, like those cards that come in a box and they come in different sizes. That would work. And that could really spruce up this pattern and give it more interest, you know, more design. But otherwise, it's a very lovely pattern because you see, if you have a real busy print or one that has lots of birds on it, you want to identify the birds, or maybe it's Thomas the Train and you have to have a quilt pattern that actually allows you to see the train. This would work really good. And this one's called Arcade with Fabric Cafe. So you could find that at any variety of quilt shops would have this for sure. Well, I'm not going to spend a lot of time trying to wrangle those back into the bags, okay? I promise not to spend a lot of time on that. Oh, look at this. Do you have someone you know that is just nuts for lavender? And butterflies, of course. And then this lovely, this one's more. Oh man, that's pretty. Now the fabric does not feel as silky as the Daisy Lane Riley Blake ones. So let's see who makes this one. Oh no, they do feel pretty good. Need to feel it some more. Yes, it feels better, I guess, with getting used to it. Or which one was less? Maybe it's this one that just didn't feel as soft, but this one feels pretty soft. Now this is, oh, this is a Riley Blake. They ought to all feel about the same, don't you think? But this one is Strength in Lavender by RBD Designers, a Riley Blake design of 2023. And I think what I really like about it is that it does have the little ribbons in there to remember. Is that cancer survivors, or is it a different color for that? But this also has words in it. Can you read them from where you're at? Courage, hope, faith, strength. Aren't those the words we need to live by? Is trust in God and have faith and strength and lean on Him. And there's butterflies. So these are beautiful fabrics, just really beautiful. And Lynn, this is a great project. Thank you. And the white one is just beautiful. And again, it has daisies on it. You know, the universal flower. I love it though. It's a nice shape. Again, like I said earlier about the Daisy Lane products, they're not a stylized daisy. These actually are just a simple, delicate daisy. Okay, Fabric Cafe is a winner for sure. And a pink bag to go in. Put those in there. Okay, next. That was number 22. So, of course, what's next? 23. So, it's one more of our boxes. You know, these boxes would be great for all these extra notions that I have in these little stacking bins. Well, to-do lists are what makes my world run smoothly. A pen to write on the list makes it even better. Hold on to the plastic container. Yes, we're doing that, Lynn. We're all doing that. Hold your horses. We're going to hold on to those. Oh, and this is a nice one. This is not your dollar store quality. This is a nicer quality. And it's do it now, do it later. There's a lot on that do it later list, don't you think? I'm going to leave that out so it doesn't get further bent. And then this is a beautiful pen. I thought for sure I'd see soft squares written on there, but it's not. Okay, number 24. Just one more. Oh, look at this. This is just gorgeous. Let's see. Is this the color that I usually get? I have a whole bolt of white over there. I wonder if this is the one. Oh, it's soft and silky white. And it's like a snow white. It's not a knock your socks off white. Let's see which one it is, if it has it on there. I don't see anything on the border. Let's see what Lynn says. Day 24, white out. I see white. Hopefully where you live, you can see white outside in anticipation of the holiday. White is a must-have color of fabric for any quilter. Here's 3 yards of Riley White by Riley Blake for their premium line confetti cotton. I knew it felt good. It felt silky. What are you going to do with it? Do you have something in mind? Yes, I do. Or is it going into your stash? Well, it will temporarily. Let me know in my Facebook group page. I have to do this. I haven't learned how to upload. Well, I haven't sat down and figured it out. But I'm going to do it. Thank you, Lynn. That was another excellent, excellent choice. 3 yards. Well, you can get a lot done with 3 yards. And then comes that final one, the 25th. Now this, I took it out of its outer package already because I sort of tore into it big time. And it looks to be a 3-tier rolling shelf. You know, I know that, haven't you seen that on Arkansas Gals? She's got a rolling shelf cart right beside her workstation, and she keeps all of her stuff in it. I think this would be great. And all the parts and pieces sound like they're moving around in there. So I'm not going to open that up and put it together right now, though, okay? Thank you all, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Oh, let me finish up with one more thing. That was our Advent box. The holiday Advent box from Soft Squares. It's been a joy to enjoy. It's been a joy and a privilege to open it up and enjoy every single day, and really a lot of fun sharing it with you. So let me know how you think the box went and how I can improve for next time, but be gentle, okay? Okay, so we've got enough stuff there. You know, I do, let me get this one uploaded, and then I have another one in mind for you to see what's going on, okay? So, good day. See you later.